If you're chasing the best portable player for high-resolution audio in 2026, the iBasso DX270 deserves a serious look. This device reimagines R2R implementation with a 20-bit R2R plus 4-bit string DAC and an 8-channel, fully balanced layout that virtually eliminates common artifacts like zero-crossing distortion. That gives you cleaner transients, deeper dynamic contrast, and a more natural soundstage. One of the DX270's strengths is its use of FPGA-Master 3.0, a custom processing core that actively corrects errors in real time and helps maintain low THD-N even at high output levels. It supports Android 13 with non-SRC playback plus Mango OS, so you get flexibility with streaming apps and optimized local playback. In practical listening, the DX270 stands out with a rich mid-range, excellent instrument separation, and robust power that drives demanding headphones without strain. When compared head-to-head with both classic R2R players and modern chip-based DAPs, it holds its own, delivering a smooth blend of detail and musicality. While its price places it among high-end portable players, the DX270's combination of tech and performance makes it a top choice for serious audiophiles looking for both versatility and superior sound quality.